Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll discuss about submit and approve time of request for resource in Microsoft Dynamics 365 field service. So in this video, we are going to cover how to set up a time of approval and submit a time of request and then approve a time of request, view time of on the schedule board and how to edit or delete a time of request. Now go back to the system. For example, one of your field technician is taking a vacation. So it is important to log the time of request so that a dispatcher can see it on the schedule board when scheduling a work order. And when a resource has an approved time of request, the scheduling assistant does not recommend that resource for a job during that period. The time slots for that resource are grayed out on the schedule board to provide a visual notification to the dispatcher that the resource is not available. If a bookable resource is said to require time of approval, an approval request is sent to that user manager before the time of request shows in the scheduling tool. Now, let's go for set up a time of approval. Like if a resource must have their time of request approved before their time shows as unavailable on the schedule board. First, go to the resource scheduling app, then select the resources. Now, I am selecting this resource and then select the field service tab from here. Now, go to the time of approval required. If choose yes, it indicates the time of must be approved first. And if choose no, it indicates the time of takes effect immediately. No is the default value. Now, time of approval required is changed to yes and then click on save and close from here. Now, submit a time of request. First, go to the field service app and under scheduling, click on time of request from here. Now, create new time of request. So, click on new button and select the resource from here, Alex Baker, and the start time is 21 and end time is 23. And then click on save and close from here. Now, in the active time of request view, select a request. Now, you will see approve here. So, click on that and then click on OK button from here. So, approve time of request change to the status of inactive. Now, go to the inactive time of request and inactive record can be found in the inactive time of request view. Additionally, time of request shows in the resource calendar along with the normal working hours. Now, view time off on the schedule board. So, go to the schedule board from here. And once the time of request is created or approved, depending on whether the resource require approval or not. The resource's time of time range shows as unavailable on the schedule board. So as you can see for this resource, so these time of hours are displayed and treated the same as non-working hours. Now how to edit or delete a time of request. So time of request can only be edited or deleted from the resource calendar. Once submitted, you cannot edit a time off from the field service mobile app while it is running in offline mode. And deleting a time of request record does not delete the time off from the schedule board as resource calendar. First go to the resource scheduling app. So under scheduling, go to the resources and select the resource from here and then select the show work hours. Now as you can see the times off, so select the time off from here. So click on edit from here. Like if you want to edit a time off, so you can edit from here. Now click on cancel. Again click on that. And if you want to delete this time off, so you can delete from here. So then save and close from here. So in this video we covered set up a time of approval, submit a time of request, approve a time of request, view time off on the schedule board, and how to edit or delete time of request in Microsoft Dynamics 365 field service. Thanks for watching.